Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Dzine AI is free. In order to do so, here we are at Dzine.ai, that's D-Z-I-N-E.ai. And as you can see, we have a nice big yellow button here that says start for free. But let's find out how free Dzine actually is. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button here, we should be logged in. And there you go. Now we're logged in and we have the option to pick our plan. So you can see here that for the beginner subscription, it is $8.99 a month. The creator subscription is $19.99. And then we have the master for $59.99. You can see here that the beginner and the creator both offers a free trial. So let's go ahead and start with the beginner. Just click on that there. And here we can see that in order to gain access, we do need to enter in our payment information. So once we do so, then we have 7 days for free. Let's find out here. We're just going to back off and we're going to see if Dzine offers a way for us to access their services without having to go through the subscription page. And here it does look like we just had to back off here and get back in. And now we're being asked here a couple of questions. So let's just go ahead and answer these very quickly. And just add our information here. Okay, we've completed initialization. Now we can watch a quick guide for beginners. Let's go ahead and leave that for another time. And if you want to take a look at that at your leisure, you can. We'll just skip that here. And now we can see that we have accessed Dzine.ai. And we also can see here that we have 50 free credits up front. So let's just go ahead and take a closer look at the credits and find out if this is something that is just a one-time thing or whether or not you get free credits on a regular basis as other platforms do offer. So let's see here. So we're on the free plan and it does say here that we do get 32 regular Q credits per day. So that's nice to know. We have at least 32. We start with 50 and then we get 32 daily if we're using the free version. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here at how much we can do with 50 credits that we've been given. So let's see, we have a lot of different options here. So this is a good opportunity to take a look at everything that Dzine has to offer. So we have a 2D to 3D converter, AI design sketch, image to prompt. So that's interesting, image to prompt. So I'm assuming that means we can enter in our image and we can get a prompt that we can then use. We have a style transfer, turn sketch to art, AI anime filter. We have a face swap, AI avatar, AI change clothes. We have add object into image, remove object from image, remove background, AI combine images, AI photo enhancer, AI photo expand, vectorize image, insert object. Here we have our art generator. So we have our character generator, anime generator, a comic generator. We have the Flux One image generator, a coloring book generator, vector image generator, and product background generator. We also seem to have some other options here that are grayed out. I'm assuming that those are only available in one of the subscriptions. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Flux One image generator and see what we can do here with our credits. So let's see here. So in this case, this seems to be primarily referring to uploading a photo and using a 3D effect here. Now, I was looking for the image generator, but it's taking us through to this page here. So that's not quite what we're looking for. So far I could say from just being here for a few minutes, we've got some really nice options. However, this is not behaving the way that we would expect it to. So it's taking us here to the 2D, 3D image converter, which is not what we want. However, up here it does say that we are on the image generator. So I'm not sure exactly what to make of that, if that is, let's say, intentionally misleading or just a glitch. But let's go ahead and try something else here. Let's go ahead and try the character generator, see what we can do with that. Okay, so this is looking a bit closer to what we expect. And you can see here some of the examples. So let's go ahead and try something out here. And I've got a character I always like to play around with. A good hero. Gold mask. Fantasy world. Okay, just something kind of simple, and we'll go ahead and hit generate. Design is now working. We'll just see here how long that takes. Okay, so it's going to take us now to the text to image option here. So this looks that like now we're on the dashboard and we kind of have a little bit better idea here of some of the options we have available to us. So we can see that we have the text to image, image to image, AI, video. It says preview. So I wonder then if this has not released yet. We've got the AI editor, face kit, enhance and upscale. And let's go ahead and just focus here on our prompt. We'll go ahead and click generate. We've submitted that. We'll see how long this takes, and we'll see how many credits this is going to use. We can see here the progress indicator. So it's not taking too long here. We're already more than halfway, 75. Let's see if we can just close this here. Yes, we can. So we can see now, okay, so we have our results. And let's see here, we'll take a closer look. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like the style. It's given us kind of a comic book artistic style here, so that's quite nice. And we can also see that for these 4 images, it looks like that cost us 8 credits. So that's not too bad. So that means that we're looking at about 2 credits each for the text image. And considering that we get daily credits of 32, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That is more generous than some of the generators I have come across. So we can see here that for our free tier, Dzine is actually quite generous with the credits that they provide. So that gives you an idea there of how the text to image works. Let's go ahead and just take a look here at the AI video. Okay, so we can see here that this is only available for the creator plan. And we are going to need to start that free trial in order to have access to that. So I would then assume that the primary options that we have available here for our free credits is going to be our text to image or even our image to image. We have the enhance and upscale here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Yeah, see, that's also only available in the creator plan. So it seems as though the primary function here for our free credits is going to be the text to image. And it's actually not too bad. If you are looking for a place to be able to generate some daily images, I would say that the credit system that they're using here is quite generous. It's not, you're not going to be able to get endless generations, but if you're looking for something rather quick, then you have 32 credits to play with daily, and that is rather generous in comparison to some of the other options. So is Dzine free? Well, they do have a nice free option that you can use. It's primarily appears to be the text to image. Aside from that, if you want to use more of the robust functions, then you are going to need a subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.